What is going on, you guys? How y'all doing today? Back with another quick video today on the R7. Now, I was working earlier this afternoon, had some appointments, so I didn't get to go out on this thing and film a video for you guys. So that's why I wanted to take the chance right now to go ahead and do so while I'm on the way to the gym. Oh, let me make this light, please. Oh, I know it won't click for me. This bike's too light. I got stuck at this light trying to turn left for a minute. But it's okay. We can go a different way when this whole line of cars passes. Because there are no cars behind me. Or now there's a car behind me. Never mind. Defeats my whole thing. But I always get caught at a stoplight. I'm the only one here when I'm on my bike, and the light won't turn for me. It doesn't recognize this weight. It's not enough. Alright, the big semi's come in. Let's not stall. But yeah, I'm headed to the gym right now. There was a Taco Tuesday meet, I think right now, but y'all always got to make sure to put your health first. I do want to head out to one of those. I know it would be a sick video because I know there's a huge bike turnout at those meets as well, but it is 45 minutes away and I haven't even hit the gym today, and that's such a priority for me, and I hope it is for you guys too. Always keep your health in check. Some sort of exercising, make sure to fit it on your daily routine. Yeah, so I am headed to go do that right now, but I did want to tell you guys about some stuff. For you guys who follow me over here on YouTube, I do want to give you guys some extra little sneak peeks, which you may not see on Instagram or TikTok. So I did just receive a pretty good offer today on the R7, I can't lie, and I'm really contemplating about taking it. And I feel so bad because literally in my last video I was saying how I don't want to sell this thing at all. I love it, I love how much it looks, how it rides, everything about it. But I got a pretty good offer, and I can't lie, I'm thinking about letting it go. And like, it's not because I don't love the bike or I don't love everything that this thing does. Trust me, everything about this bike I really enjoy, and I do not want to get rid of it. But with this opportunity I have right now, it is a pretty good idea for myself and also for the channel too, because I can go ahead and take that money and put it into the next bike. And I could use that money to get a ton of modifications done to the next bike I pick up as well. So I'm really sad to say it, but it does make a lot of sense. And I'm not set on it as yet. I'm not 100% sure, but I am leaning towards the idea, and it's just something I want to tell you guys about. I just got the little nod of approval from the guy on the right. I saw him side-eyeing the bike. I think in a positive way. But yeah, so that I just want to let you guys know about that. That is something I'm thinking about. But I will of course keep you guys updated, and you'll see what happens. But I don't know, man, I'm just at such a crossroad right here, because I love this bike and the spec and everything I've done to it. It's literally just how I want it, but I know I do need some new bikes for the channel, and it would definitely help out. And that's kind of more the aspect I'm focusing on, is just more content for social media consumption. because I did mod this bike up every single way I wanted to. And I'm just so happy with where it's at right now. But regardless of that, whether I sell it or not, I do want to let you guys know that a new bike will be here before my birthday. I'm going to try and hold myself to that, but that is the plan at least. I'm really going to focus on getting that new bike for you guys. And my birthday is mid-July, so it'll be like an early birthday gift to myself, and it'll be a nice surprise for you guys to watch. And trust me, even if I sell this thing, don't worry at all. The next build is going to be sick, and trust me, you will enjoy it without a doubt. And also throughout the build process, I'm going to come to you guys a lot and really get your opinion on the stuff I do, so we can kind of build it together. Like maybe I'll put up a certain poll on what color I should change the bike to, what specific mods, and how do you choose from a list. So I think it'll kind of be cool, you know. You can have you guys vote on it and see the progression along the way. So yeah, within 30 days, I'm trying to have a new bike for you guys on the channel. I will try my best. Just know that. And even if I don't hit it in a time frame, it'll be as soon as possible. Because I do still want to take my time, make sure that the next bike I pick up's good working order, good mileage, good condition, everything, and no issues. And I just don't want to go rush, panic buy something that's too expensive and not worth it. Alright, now we're at the gym, so let me go park up, find a spot, and go get this knocked out. Ooh, look at that R6 wagon right there. Man, I put my calves to work right now. It's on like a little incline I'm backing up. That's my warm-up right there. But I do know this guy. I met him before. The owner of this R6 right here. He's a really nice guy. And he built this Audi up perfectly. These wheels, sick. Ski box, sick. And there's his YouTube right there. He does some detailing. Lumen Detailing Co. Yeah, look at these wheels. These wheels are sick. And look just how big those front calipers are. That's insane. Those front calipers are literally like half the size of my wheel. But yeah, this thing looks sick, man. And with the yellow headlights. But alright. Let me go knock out this workout. Hitting shoulders and arms today. And I'll check back with you guys on the ride back. Alright, I just finished up and now the sun is setting, so we are all good. I'm not going to have no issues with my tinted visor. Do y'all ever ride at night with your tinted visor? I did it like one time, and ever since, not again. I can't see nothing. happy I got this workout knocked out. Helps me more in my head with discipline than anything. But make sure my phone don't fall in my pocket. Alright, now let's head out. I do need to tighten and clean my chain up again. But I just did it the other day and I've already put on, actually I can tell you guys. $400 miles, so I feel like it needs it again now. Left or right, left or right. Let's go right, we never go this way. It's such a nice night right now. Perfect riding temperature, everything. But I'm probably just gonna go head back to my house right now and edit up this video so I can post this tomorrow, because I do kind of want to give you guys that little sneak peek teaser I just talked about on the way here, and see some of your thoughts in the comments. Oh man, look at this view right here. It's so peaceful. Right now, I don't need no music to listen to. I don't need no nothing. Just my exhaust note, being on the bike, and this scenery. It's a dream come true for me. I'm just so grateful for this moment right now. Literally, like, just being on a bike is something I've dreamt about for years. So I try not to get too used to it and always stay very grateful. Am I not even in gear? It doesn't even say nothing. What the heck? Y'all see my gear shifter? It's just blank where it says N, 1, 2, or 3. Dang. It's okay, you're just confused. There's a bike just chilling on the side of the road. I guess it broke down. I didn't even see no rider near it. Hope that dude's alright. Another motorcycle rider. That's how y'all know I'm not lying. It's perfect weather right now. It's literally like 5-6 motorcycles in the past few minutes. See what I'm saying? Is that a H2R right there? Full. That thing's definitely got over 200 horsepower right there. I think that's, yeah, that's undercover cop right there. It's a nice M2 comp right there. Those things look like they'd be a ton of fun to drive because they're so like compact. I like want to look over at the cop, but that's definitely like sus. I'm gonna like fake it. I'm gonna pretend to look this way and look that way. I think he's looking at me. That's so awkward. I'm not even getting none for myself. Y'all see. I'm not even gonna take off my helmet because I'm going in for like 2 seconds, so I don't feel like putting that all back on. Alright, this is literally all I'm getting right here. Just this for my dog. That's it. Now I can head out of here. It's like one of my least favorite things to do is be in here. And I don't need no bags. I got my backpack, but also where I live, they charge like 5 cents per bag, and I'm too poor for that, so I'll pass. Now let's get back. I think that about wraps it up for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. If you didn't, please go leave it in the comments below where I can improve. Because I'm only like a little bit over a month into this YouTube stuff, so yeah, I gotta be patient with me. But I'm trying to get the hang of it and make stuff that you guys enjoy. So please ride safe, take care, and peace. Hold on, real quick, I gotta show y'all. Look at all those, like, look how wet the road is over there from those sprinklers. That's the way I was planning to go. I'm so glad I didn't. But I dirtied up this entire bike. Yeah, that's the last thing. Alright, peace you guys.